All right, welcome to the forecast of EU. I was not feeling great. I actually felt like shit this morning. I don't know why. I felt ill. I felt like I had to throw up. I had no idea why. So maybe I ate too much yesterday because yesterday I had cheat day. Well, I didn't have cheat day planned in, but I cheated. So all right, let's go at it. It's gonna be a quick one forecast. High time from low time from look at candles, see what we have. So you can see the strong push to the downside. If we go to the weekly, we can see that's a big ass candle. We finally got some volume down after this correctional price action. Wicks to the upside. We got 1, 2, 3 weekly highs above. We got that key level above, but for now we're looking to the downside. Then Thursday, Friday, strong pushes to the downside. So for now, we can maybe see a retracement, um, correctional retracement, but I don't expect a deep retracement as the momentum is quite strong. Therefore, I'm looking to play the most recent structure. What's the most recent structure? Well, we got those shorts from here, which is quite interesting. So we got the over here, we got a high, we got a low, then we got this lower high, we got this lower low. So I'm quite interested in that area just for now. Then over here we can see that we have a area we can look for trades. We got a supply zone over here. We got some internal range liquidity over here and over here as well. So these two areas look pretty good for me. Overall, I'm favoring shorts. I'm always favoring shorts because I like to trade shorts. Those are my best trades. We know that we broke structure here. So overall, we have this range from high down to low. And actually, highest probability setups will come from the premium of this range, which means that we would look for sells from this area. But if we want to wait for price to take internal range liquidity, then we will wait for price to come above this liquidity high and then trade from there. However, we know that we have a area over here as well, so might see trades from here as well. Maybe because of the momentum, we might see price come here and then move from here. So I'm also interested in that area. Would I mark it out like this? Let's go to the 4-hour and see if we got a 4-hour PY sitting there. Yes, we do. So we got that 4-hour PY. So we now have three areas we look for trades from. Low prop or no LQ below. As you can see, there's not like big liquidity close to it, although we got this one here, but yeah. If price comes above here, then this one will be taken for sure. For now, we're looking for longs. For shorts, where can we look for longs from? Well, we got this area here. I don't know why I marked it out. It was just unmitigated. I'm interested in this area as we have on DXY, this area, which I mark out like this. And I don't know, it just attracts me because we got a high, a low, a lower high, and then an internal high that didn't do anything, but essentially caused the break of structure. So this is a strong area. We tapped into that again, and then we get move lower. So we might just come above this high, and they're gonna turn around. This is just theory, just testing. I'm just curious to see if we come above here and then stay below this one. So yeah, that's just testing. But overall, I'm favoring shorts from here. I don't really know yet where to long from because we got this trend line still going on. We have a 1-hour demand area sitting over here. As you can see, we swept this one here. Sweep this low. So if you go to the 50-minute, it's more visible. You can see we swept the low, liquidity grab. Didn't tap into that 4-hour fair value gap, and then we get the move. So speaking about the 4-hour fair value gap, what does that look like? Well, we still got a PY over here, and we got this area. So overall, there are some long areas, but I don't know. I rather wait for price to give me some more clarity on the longs, as we are now very bearish on the high time frame. as well as in the lower time frame, of course. As I said, liquidity wise, we have these 1, 2, 3 previous weekly highs above, but as long as we don't have a long area, we don't know where to long from. We don't know where to when to target them. Uh, we don't know when to target them. We also know that if we want to reach discount on this blue range, we have to still come a little bit lower. Once we reach that, I'm gonna definitely look for longs. And then there might be a chance, because there's always chance that price comes further down, takes out that low, and then we reach discount on this most recent bullish range of the daily time frame. And that will be great, but that would mean also a lot of short trades in long areas, which will cause maybe hesitation, because ideally, if we take this trend line out, we want to look for longs from this area, and that's it. But yeah, then we have a imbalance here. I think it's on the weekly. What is that? 4 hour? I don't know what it is. Volume imbalance. I don't know. Why did I mark that out? Yeah, volume imbalance. Yeah. That's probably Thursday, Friday, and Monday. So new weekly open gap there, but it is filled. Forecast wise, DXY. It's a bit messy. I'm sorry, guys. I'm feeling a little bit better about it. Just want to get this out of the way now. I actually planned to do this morning, super detailed, but just didn't feel like it. DXY, I'm still looking to for price to come above here. As I said, maybe react from above here and then stay below this one, but otherwise come above here. And then we can look for shorts. However, this is a weak break, so we might just continue bullish from here, as this only was a liquidity grab. And that would mean the EU will come below here. And that's basically it. So forecast wise, again, I'm looking to wait until we get some movement here, see if we get clarity from the PA. Currently it's one-sided. There's nothing I want to trade from until we reach those short areas. So where is it? I would look to wait at least for price to come into this, and ideally to come above here, but then short continuation following the momentum. If we don't get that, then I would wait for price to come up here and then look for shorts. And yeah, that's basically it. That's the forecast for EU. Price now to turn around, wait for that, and then look for shorts. Now, where's price most likely to go from here? Up. Why is price most likely to go up? Because we took this liquidity, so we had this impulse down, so we want to see some relief maybe. I don't know if that will happen, but I expect some relief and then a continuation. If we just push further down, then I'm expecting like legs with no internal range liquidity, and then we maybe get like something like this, strong push down, then minor pushes up, then continuation down, and then leaving this to continue higher. Yeah, because we got some nice trend lines going on over here as well, as you can see. So forecast wise, I'm hoping to see something like this. Oh, sorry. Either this or this, but we really got to see what the Monday liquidity does, as we are below old lows, but we are not yet in a discount to look for longs on this blue range, and we're not in a premium to look for shorts on the red range, and not even a premium on the most recent structure. So we just gotta wait and see what price gives us. Sorry guys, this is it. There's not much. There is much, but it doesn't need to be long. It doesn't need to be complicated. Keep it simple for this one. I don't need to look at. I kind of already looked at how it's pretty straightforward. Strong pushes down. momentum. So we looked at that candle formation and those candles, how they're formed. Same story here. Last two candles were fairly bearish, very large as well, quite large, but they were strong. So for now, it's basically waiting and see what price gives us. We might get below here and we can look for longs. Oh, hold up. Yeah. So well, the thing is, this is not a strong low now. This is not like a structure point or anything. It's just where the week closed, but it's not like a structural week low. This is like these 1, 2, 3 are pretty strong structure points compared to this one. So looking for longs after previous weekly low can be valid, but for now it's not a strong structure point. So we can look for longs maybe coming, what the fuck, below previous weekly lows, previous daily lows, but yeah, I don't know. Let's wait. Let's just wait. Forecast wise, this one. That's my ideal area scenario. Peace out.